In the depths of space, far beyond what we can grasp, lies the edge of our vast solar system. Recently, something alien and immense has broken through its boundaries and is now hurtling towards Earth. NASA has just picked up on this unsettling development as the agency detected the presence of this mysterious object entering our solar system. The sudden shutdown of NASA's live feed as they spotted the strange entity has left everyone intrigued. Now, NASA finds itself in the spotlight, scrambling to provide explanations. It seems this peculiar visitor was not intended to be seen, especially considering the unexpected blackout of the cameras during the discovery. Satellite shutdown. Controversy. For decades, scientists have been captivated by the mysteries of outer space, relentlessly pursuing new discoveries to deepen our understanding of the cosmos. This insatiable quest has led them to collaborate with engineers, deploying satellites and cutting-edge equipment into the void in search of answers that once eluded our ancestors. However, the scientific community was recently shaken by startling news of an unprecedented event. It emerged that one of the satellites dispatched to survey our immediate atmosphere abruptly ceased functioning without warning. Astronomers watched in astonishment as this dramatic occurrence unfolded before their eyes, reminiscent of a scene from a sci-fi thriller. Yet, this was no fictional narrative. It was a real-life mystery. Adding to the intrigue is the enigmatic cause behind the satellite's unexpected behavior. Many speculate that it shut down upon encountering extraterrestrial life in the depths of outer space. This possibility has thrust NASA into the center of a fervent debate, drawing attention from ethologists and space enthusiasts alike. All eyes are now fixed on the space agency as it endeavors to shed light on the situation. At the heart of this unfolding cosmic drama is the International Space Station, ISS. With years of experience in orbit around Earth, the ISS has become a seasoned veteran of outer space exploration, thanks to the collaborative efforts of brilliant minds who conceived and launched it. Over the years, it has amassed a wealth of imagery and data on celestial phenomena, earning the admiration of scientists and researchers worldwide. However, the heroic narrative of the ISS is now overshadowed by a brewing cosmic scandal. Conspiracy theorists have turned their scrutiny towards the station, casting doubts on its role in the unfolding events. NASA's response to the satellite anomaly. Since an unusual event unfolded on the satellite's live feed, NASA has been grappling with an array of narratives and theories spun by enthusiasts and alien aficionados. On a typical day, NASA's feed offers a clear view of Earth from the astronaut's perspective. But this time it laid an extraordinary story in our laps, one that has left everyone puzzled. The live feed captured a momentary deviation from the usual scenery. For a brief moment, a faint light seemed to descend towards Earth, captivating scientists in disbelief. The intrigue heightened when the object abruptly halted its descent and hovered in place. As if this weren't perplexing enough, the video abruptly cut off, leaving scientists bewildered. Like predators closing in on prey, ethologists and conspiracy theorists swiftly formulated new narratives, with extraterrestrials cast as the protagonists. While it's tempting to entertain these theories, given the bizarre nature of the event, experienced researchers caution against hastily embracing such conclusions. Among the barrage of conjectures, some suggest NASA is concealing information, insinuating a cover-up of significant proportions. However, others argue that focusing solely on this notion risks premature judgment. Adding to the complexity, speculation arises that the object captured on the feed might be the Chinese space station Tiangong-1, or, more alarmingly, a meteor on a collision course with Earth. As theories proliferate, blame is directed towards NASA for cutting off visuals before the object entered Earth's atmosphere, intensifying the mystery surrounding the event. Without witnessing the object's behavior post-entry, speculation runs rampant. Amid mounting pressure, NASA responds by dispelling notions of extraterrestrial involvement, attributing the anomaly to potential space debris or camera aberrations. They present a spectrum of explanations, from reflections on the lens to meteor activity in an effort to provide clarity. To assuage concerns, a NASA spokesperson emphatically denies the presence of alien spacecraft near Earth, emphasizing the agency's commitment to transparency. However, uncertainties persist, and the quest for answers continues amidst the lingering enigma surrounding the satellite anomaly. Clarification on the satellite feed interruption. NASA has moved to allay public concerns, urging calm and dismissing notions of an impending alien invasion propagated by some ethologists. Instead, the space agency emphasizes the importance of considering their reasoned explanation for the abrupt interruption of the feed. According to NASA spokesperson Daniel Hu, the feed originates from the High-Definition Earth Viewing (HDEV) experiment aboard the ISS. This groundbreaking instrument, situated externally on the ISS, conducts experiments aimed at broadening our understanding of outer space. The experiment incorporates commercial HD video cameras directed towards Earth, housed in a pressurized, temperature-controlled enclosure. A noteworthy aspect, highlighted by NASA, is the experiment's reliance on automatic controls, cycling through various cameras. Additionally, NASA revealed that signal loss occurs when the station moves out of range of tracking and data relay satellites, resulting in a blue screen on the feed. This detailed explanation clarifies that the interruption was due to signal loss, not intentional interference by NASA. Despite NASA's explanation, conspiracy theorists and ethologists remain unsatisfied, alleging that it serves as a diversionary tactic. They adamantly assert that the object captured by the ISS was a UFO on a reconnaissance mission, disputing NASA's account of signal loss as a cover-up. According to their interpretation, the UFO inadvertently entered the view of the ISS's cameras and subsequently NASA's live feed. UFOs and their existence. The question of UFO existence has long intrigued many, sparking debates and speculation about whether these sightings are genuine phenomena or merely products of elaborate fiction. While some dismiss UFOs as hoaxes unworthy of serious consideration, a significant number of scientists assert their existence, supported by compelling evidence that skeptics find challenging to refute. Over the years, numerous pieces of evidence have surfaced, hinting at the reality of UFOs. One notable example involves sightings near CERN's Large Hadron Collider, LHC, the world's largest and fastest particle accelerator located in Geneva, Switzerland. While some attribute these sightings to optical illusions or hallucinations, believers argue that UFO encounters merit genuine attention, backed by credible accounts and evidence. It would be remiss not to acknowledge the genuine encounters documented over the years. As technology advances and our understanding of the universe deepens, dismissing these encounters outright would be short-sighted. Personal testimonies near the LHC suggest the possibility of extraterrestrial observation, igniting curiosity among ethologists and space enthusiasts alike. Recent narratives suggest that experiments at the LHC may have inadvertently attracted the attention of extraterrestrial beings, adding fuel to the debate. Despite skepticism attempting to discredit these reports, the distinct location of the LHC in a secluded area of Switzerland diminishes the likelihood of misidentifying aerial phenomena as conventional aircraft. Dr. Castillo, a physicist at CERN, recounted witnessing a peculiar aerial phenomenon above the LHC, describing a UFO emitting pulsating light. He noted the object's maneuvers, which defied conventional aircraft capabilities, prompting further intrigue and investigation. The debate surrounding UFOs persists, fueled by both skepticism and belief. As scientists and researchers grapple with the nature and origin of these unidentified objects, it remains imperative to approach the subject objectively, acknowledging the complexities and uncertainties inherent in exploring the unknown. NASA's encounter with UFOs and a rediscovered satellite. Dr. Castillo's revelation dispels any doubts about the possibility of misidentifying commercial or military aircraft, further fueling speculation surrounding UFO sightings. With accounts of UFO encounters near the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, theorists question why similar phenomena couldn't occur just beyond Earth's outer atmosphere. This notion, though enchanting, raises concerns about NASA's credibility, prompting skepticism about potential hidden agendas. While ethologists accuse NASA of deceit, the scientific community exhibits a newfound openness to the UFO phenomenon. Unlike previous skepticism, researchers now entertain the notion of genuine unidentified aerial phenomena, distinct from earthly aircraft. Amidst the controversy surrounding NASA's live feed shutdown, Another intriguing discovery emerges, a long-lost satellite unearthed by NASA. Amateur astronomer Scott Tilley, newly enlisted by NASA, stunned the scientific community with his find. NASA's Imager for Magnetopause to Aurora Global Exploration (IMAGE) satellite, presumed lost for over 12 years due to system failure, was still transmitting. Tilley documented his discovery in a blog post, igniting excitement within NASA. Experts believe the mission could be revived, opening doors to new exploration opportunities. NASA's pursuit to revive the IMAGE satellite. NASA, alongside researchers from Johns Hopkins, Applied Physics Laboratory, and the University of California, Berkeley, has been closely monitoring the rediscovery of the IMAGE satellite, a mission that promises significant advancements for scientific exploration. However, the journey to unlock its potential has been fraught with challenges, as expected for a long-lost artifact. One pressing inquiry for researchers is the anomaly observed in the spacecraft's rotation rate, which appears to have slowed over time, potentially hindering communication. Their focus remains fixed on IMAGE as they scrutinize data exchanges between the satellite and ground stations. Despite the setback, preliminary findings indicate that before its sudden signal loss in 2005, the satellite had already achieved notable success in its mission objectives. The abrupt cessation of communication during its extended mission left scientists baffled, especially considering the mission's previous flawless performance. Months of fruitless attempts to re-establish contact led to the sobering realization that the satellite's fate seemed sealed. Analysis attributed the system failure to malfunctioning power controllers, dashing hopes of a spontaneous reset during subsequent solar panel eclipses in 2019 and 2023. However, optimism persists among researchers who entertain the possibility of the satellite's revival during future eclipses. If successful, this resurrection holds the promise of invaluable insights into the Earth's northern polar region, potentially uncovering phenomena overlooked for years. Scientists eagerly anticipate the potential wealth of discoveries awaiting, envisioning IMAGE as a catalyst for groundbreaking revelations akin to those from the International Space Station. As efforts to restore IMAGE intensify, the scientific community eagerly awaits the dawn of a new era in Earth observation, poised to unravel mysteries that may redefine our understanding of the planet. The saga of the IMAGE satellite symbolizes humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge, fueled by curiosity and a thirst for discovery.